Hello everyone, this is Nari Gavudi, the registered dietitian, and today I will be reviewing the clear liquid diet for after bariatric surgeries. The purpose of the clear liquid diet is to hydrate your body, and hydration should be your biggest priority. You want to aim for about 48 to 64 ounces of fluid daily. However, it might be very difficult in the beginning to reach that amount. That's the amount that you want to strive for. You can work on having half a cup of fluid every hour, and half a cup is about 4 ounces. You want to avoid gulping your food. You want to avoid sipping very quickly, so sip slowly, and small amounts of fluids will prevent you from vomiting. It's important to know some of the symptoms of dehydration because that is one of the common reasons why patients return to the hospital after surgery. These symptoms include fatigue, dry colored or strong smelling urine, dry lips, dry mouth, lightheadedness, or fainting. If you're having any of these symptoms, it's really important to call the office right away. Some examples of drinks you can have during this phase include Gatorade, 1 per day, apple juice, 1 per meal, and popsicles, 1 per meal. You can also sip on tea and coffee. You just want to be mindful of what you're putting in your tea and coffee, such as cream and sugar. You always want to limit those added things into your coffee because that's what can increase the calories. Snapple is an appropriate drink to have during this phase, and so are chicken broths, such as vegetable and beef or chicken. And again, you just want to make sure that your drinks are not too hot and you want to sip on small portions. Some restrictions during all of the phases of the post-surgical diet include avoiding chunky, crispy, or fried foods, milk, bread, and carbonated beverages. And the bubbles here in the carbonated beverages, they run the risk of stretching your pouch, which means your stomach can get bigger and you would want more food. And always remember, water is the most important after surgery. It's going to prevent dehydration and it also helps with weight loss. Protein is the most important macronutrient that you can intake. And then everything else, which includes carbohydrates and fats. You want to avoid artificial sugars. You want to avoid carbonated beverages. Stay close to the dirt, which means eating less processed foods, eating more plants and animals that are natural. And instead of having 1 or 2 meals a day, it's important to eat less more often. So have smaller, more frequent meals.